So in the previous video on this series, we discussed the main reason why students are failing their driving test, and it's observations and junctions. So the second part of this series is looking left when turning left. And what is happening is that learners and general drivers, or drivers in general, assume that when they turn in left that the road's going to be clear, and they're only checking right. The issue with not checking left when turning left is if your road is blocked or your view is blocked, then the examiners are actually hitting the brakes to make it safe, to make sure that you do stop in time. The other part of this video as well, which I'm not going to be able to give a demonstration because it's a little bit too dangerous, is when approaching the junctions, you're actually overshooting the junctions, so the front end of the car has gone over the giveaway line. What this causes is any vehicles coming from the right to significantly slow down or change their direction to avoid you. So what we need to do is make sure that we stop in or slowing down before the giveaway junction or stop junction, whatever it is, and make sure that we're just rolling up to the giveaway line without actually crossing it, so we don't cause any obstruction to any vehicles coming from the right. The next issue with pulling out to the junctions as well is that when we pull out, if we cause any vehicles to slow down or change direction again because we're not coming out quick enough, or we've pulled out too early, we haven't judged the speed of the vehicles coming towards us correctly, if those vehicles have to slow down or again avoid us, then the examiner is going to hit the brakes if they need to, or they're going to just mark it as a dangerous fault. So when you're actually leaving the junctions, you should be, if you're not 100% sure on if you can go or not, you should be slowing down, stopping, good observations. When you move away, what you should be doing is, as soon as you join the carriageway which you're joining, you should be checking your rear view mirror to see if you've got any vehicles behind you. If you have, you should be trying to get up to speed if it's safe to do so, and making sure that everything is safe around you. So the next couple of video clips is looking at just turning left into junctions, and what you're looking for and what the approach should be if your view or your path is blocked. So as I mentioned previously, another major fault on the driving test is for not looking left when turning left. I'm going to be taking the next left turning, so I'm going to check my rear and my left mirrors, left indicator, I'm going to select second gear, clutch is back up, I'm looking into the junction, there's nothing obstructing my view, so I'm just going to roll into the junction. As I turn in, I'm going to check my rear view mirror so I know what's behind me. I've got a BMW behind me, and then at the end of the road I'm going to be turning left again. BMW is still behind me. I'm going to check my rear and my left mirrors. I'm going to edge over a bit for this Volvo to come through. Left indicator, braking. I can see there's parked cars on the left hand side which are blocking my view. So I'm going to select first gear, checking right. Can't quite see, so I'm going to wait for this black Mercedes to come from my right. Now I've got another vehicle coming from the right, and this vehicle's coming from the left now. Just going to creep forward just to see on this part the car which is opposite me on the junction. Edge out, second gear, checking behind. No vehicles behind this time. Then up ahead I'm going to be taking the next left. Two cars in front of me at the moment, I've got nothing behind me. The car in front is going on the other side of the road, so I gentle brake because I know there's nothing behind me. They're parking up, so I'm taking the next left, so rear and left mirrors. As I go over the speed hump, I'm going to put my left indicator on. I've got pedestrians on the left hand side, but it looks like they're not crossing the road. parked car on my left hand side, so gentle brake, first gear. Check my right mirror, checking ahead. Check my rear view mirror, changing into second gear. Then I'm going to be taking the next left, so rear, left mirror, left indicator. I can see through the fence, and I can see that there's nothing parked in the junction, so I'm just going to roll in. I'm doing 12 miles an hour in second gear. Check my rear and my right mirrors, so there's nothing behind me, and I know it's safe to pull out around the parked cars. So rear and left mirrors, left indicator. There's parked cars up on the pavement, and there's a parked lorry just in the lane. So I'm going to come out in first gear, keep checking left and right. I'm going to creep around. There's a car coming towards me, so I'm going to wait, give myself enough room to come out. I've now got a gentleman crossing the road, so I'm just going to wait for him to cross. Now I've got another car coming. Now if it didn't look left on approach, I might have been in a bit of a predicament. So looking left is really, really important when turning left.